Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Aloha private browser VPN. You will go to settings as you see and you will click here. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above you will search about the application of Aloha and you will enter. Then we click on first app and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.